Hi guys, welcome back to Allotment. I'm going to get into the brassica cage. There's a cabbage that I can see from the outside ready for picking. I've got rid of some bindweed. I've got some beetroots at the back that I'm going to have a look at. Not too sure what size they're going to be, but let's see what's happening. And I've also got cabbages under a cloche that I've actually not looked at for probably the last couple of months, so I'm going to do a reveal on them. Probably been demolished by slugs, but let's see how it goes. So first of all, I've got this cabbage here, which I'm going to take out like so. That's a decent size. That was for a pack of seeds that I bought at Home Bargains for £1, so can't really complain. The beetroot is pretty decent as well, so that's going to come out. Another nice one. It's not a massive one, but all day pickling. Got a really small one there. Get the rest of these out. Leave that one. Well, not the greatest, but I'll get them pickled. We've left another 3 in there, which are reasonable. So this cloche here, I put this down about 3 months ago when I put these cabbages in. No idea what they're going to be like. I wasn't that bothered because cabbage I'm not a massive fan of, but they came in the multi-pack of seeds for £1, so let's have a wee look, see what's happening with these. Well, the first one's reasonable. Quite a lot of slug damage. Second one's reasonable. Third one has been destroyed. Fourth one, have a look, and the fifth one, completely shredded. So I wanted them out just to start preparing ground. So let's have a look at these. So, a fair bit of slug damage, but we'll see if there's anything worth eating on that. So that's that one. This one's the same, might have a bit on there, but I'm going to strip it back to see. This one, that's been destroyed, so that's gone in the compost. That's another one for the compost. This one, got a bit on that, but again, we'll strip it back and see what we're left with. So for tonight's harvest, I think that's not too bad. I've got 4 smallish cabbages, but again they were in a multi-pack of seeds for £1, so that's good. Got a couple of Lisbon spring onions that were grown underneath the cabbage, so they weren't getting much sun. So I've got 3 beetroot there to pickle, so I'm just going to throw them in as well. Nobody said you can't, so we'll mix it up, and as normal, run our beans. So I'll leave it with that, because I've got to start doing some watering, because everyone's a wee bit dry and it's been really hot here today. So anyway, have a good weekend folks, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.